Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove offline videos from the YouTube app on your phone. So I'm going to open up YouTube on my phone, click the profile picture on the lower right hand side of my account there, and then from here I will go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and scroll to where it says download. So I can click on this download section. You will see all the videos that I have downloaded here. And just keep in mind that, guys, these are videos that are downloaded using YouTube Premium. So I have those downloads here. Now, to remove any of these offline downloads videos, I just need to click the three dots on the right. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. And here it says remove downloads, remove from downloads, and you can do that to remove downloads. And that's it, guys. And you can also see the section for other videos that you have downloaded on your phone. And that's it. So if you're looking for how to remove offline videos from YouTube app on your phone, this is how you do it, guys.